If you guys watch my streams, I'm always adding stuff to the background that doesn't need to be there, that just lags my camera down. I found this for like $8 on Amazon. Link will be in the description below. It was only $8. I was like, that looks like more than $8. Even if it's made in China. Made in China. So I'm not just bagging on China. So I just want something that kind of hangs in the background and makes my background look a bit different. Nothing else in there. That way I stay fresh with my audience. New stuff every now and then. It's even wrapped individual and in between. There we go. It has a, looks like a old barn style rope attached to it. That's good size. I think you guys can see that on my stream. It's a press board, which means if it gets wet or moisture, it probably isn't going to last too long. But that looks pretty good. Got a nice hang at the top. None of them are bowed. I like that it's pressed wood because it doesn't pressed wood. Because now it doesn't weigh much. Just staples holding it on, which is nice because I could also slide these up and down or take them off and put them somewhere else I want instead of hanging them like that, or I can even repair them if I need to. Not much to it. See how it hangs. Hangs just like a picture frame. Yeah, it's pretty good quality for $8. Is it a sticker? Yeah, it's a sticker. Is it raised? Actually feels like two different stickers. I can actually feel the words, but nothing else. Everything else is, yeah, you only can feel the words. Well, hopefully that helps somebody out. I approve of this. This is pretty cool. And you'll see it in my streams behind me. Start, game on, level up, repeat.